Hello everyone, this is Adel from OZ Engineering. In this video we will explore one of the automated workflows of EMC Plus, which with just one click allows you to run shielding effectiveness simulation. This example is available in the software. Here the first step is to ensure that the materials are defined and your geometry is ready. Once this is done, go to the EMA 3D tab and click on the arrow below the shielding effectiveness button to access the settings. Here we will initiate the workflow with 35 divisions, and this defines the mesh size. With Run on Complete selected, clicking the Complete button will automatically run the shielding effectiveness simulation. So here EMC Plus automates several key steps in the simulation process, including creating the simulation domain and meshing the enclosure geometry. It also sets up an external plane wave source, generates a box probe inside the enclosure, and initiates the simulation run. After the simulation is complete, navigate to Results and right-click on Field Probe 1. Here we'll select Compute Field Statistics. This will compute the electric field average, minimum and maximum values, along with the shielding effectiveness. Next we will select the default plane wave source file. And we choose the desired analysis directions. Here I'll keep all of them. Now let's go to 2D plots. And here you can see our results. We have the field statistics and the shielding effectiveness. Let's right click on shielding effectiveness and click show. Here's our shielding effectiveness in dB. As you can see, the shielding effectiveness decreases as the frequency increases. We can control the plot settings. So if I go to Configure, Chart, we can change the scale from dB to linear. And here we can view our results on a linear scale. In this video, we saw the one-click workflow for simulating shielding effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.